Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by checking battery level and basic connectivity because low power masks real faults. Once charged to at least 20%, remove pairing and restart your phone or laptop to clear cached Bluetooth issues. Make sure to visually inspect ear cups, headband hinges, and ports for loose parts or corrosion. This helps focus repairs. If you have a 3.5 mm cable, try wired mode to determine whether the problem is wireless or hardware-related before opening any components. You proceed to firmware and hardware checks because many problems hide in software or loose contacts. First, reinstall the latest firmware using the official Beats/Apple update path. This can resolve audio routing or ANC glitches. If issues persist, carefully open the affected ear cup, note connector positions, and receipt ribbon cables that link the board, battery, and speakers. Replace a swollen battery or damaged hinge using OEM parts. Doing so restores mechanical and power stability and prevents recurring failures. You finish by reassembling with attention to cable routing and even screw torque so nothing pinches or shifts under wear. Once closed, pair and test playback, microphone, ANC, and call quality. Calibrate ANC by toggling through modes to confirm performance. If a problem remains, document exact symptoms, steps taken, and affected firmware so you can escalate efficiently. One key tip: if intermittent faults persist after these steps, stop and consult Apple support or a certified technician to avoid irreversible damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.